In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to ClickUp. If you're setting up your workspace for teamwork, adding people the right way ensures everyone has the access they need without compromising your settings. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into ClickUp and that your account has permission to invite new people. In many workspaces, members and admins can invite others, but if you don't see the options I mention, your permissions might be limited. Let's jump in. Start at the main ClickUp screen. Look to the top left corner and click your workspace name. This opens the hub for your workspace configuration. From there, click Settings. Settings is where you manage the foundational details of your workspace, including who can see and do what. Inside Settings, find and open People or Members. The exact label can vary depending on your plan or interface updates, but both take you to the same place: your list of current users and the tools to invite new ones. On this page, click Invite Members or the plus Add People button. Again, the wording might differ, but the purpose is the same: starting an invitation. Next, enter the person's email address. Type carefully to avoid typos, because the invitation goes directly to that email. If you're adding more than one person, you can invite them one at a time to keep roles and access crystal clear. Now choose their role. This is a crucial decision. A member can create and manage tasks, while an admin has broader control over workspace settings and billing. Some workspaces also use roles like guest for limited access to specific items. Assign the least amount of access needed for their job, and keep admin roles for trusted team leads or owners. Roles affect not only permissions but sometimes your plan's seat usage, so it's smart to confirm the right level before proceeding. When you're ready, click Send Invite. ClickUp will send an email with a link for the person to join your workspace. After they accept, you'll see them listed under People or Members. If the person doesn't receive the email, ask them to check their spam folder or contact your IT team in case of filtering. You can always return to this page later to adjust their role or remove access if responsibilities change. And that's how you add someone on ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.